Today is the day that hopefully this car moves under its own power. I was gonna drop the whole subframe because everything is so tucked, the gas tank and everything, and the way to route the lines. I think it would have made it easier, but it would definitely be a little more work. Put 3 of them through. So we just gotta pull this wire that we snuck through. Be gentle to not rip the line off with it. Damn. Oh my God. Took the whole line with it. That sucks. Alright, so all the lines are ran. This one was fighting us a little bit, the last one, but it's great. Now, we gotta, I'm gonna hook a battery to it, hook the compressors up to the power and negative, throw a battery literally in the back seat temporarily, plug the damn air lines in. Plug. Now I just put power to it and fire it up. Battery. Had to charge it, just a little dead. On deck. This
more candy.
I know.
You love candy. Terrible.
This is gonna be.
Oh my God.
No, it looks bad, but I swear we're just testing right now. And then right to the seat bracket bolt.
That bolt fits through there.
Grounds are loose. Everything's loose, not tight, but hopefully there's a door chime still. I hope there is. We got chimes. We're operational. They seem quieter than usual. I thought they were one-way press to locks, but I guess not. That's so poor. I think the battery's a little dead, why the air compressors are a little weak. Fires right up. That's crazy. In 3 months. Damn near. We got wheels spinning. So there was a complication. I had the lines completely flipped. Forgot I rotated the bag rider's plate. So the picture that I was looking at was reversed. So all the lines were going where they shouldn't have been. Car is on the ground, no jack on it, no jack stands. The pressure in the tank built all the way up to 150, which is capacity, correct pressure, capacity. And now we see how much it leaks. But for now, we need taillights, unfortunately, because if it was up to me, Bluetooth headlight, taillights. No needs taillights. Anthony just pulled up. His arrival.
Hi, people.
So we're trying to reroute all these wires. Not a lot. Taillight. No reverse lights. You don't need reverse lights. Where we're going, what direction are we going in? Straightforward. No reversing here. So we are currently extending the taillights. They have to be cut and all extended. And we actually tucked them a really sick way. It literally goes behind the quarter panel, so there will be no wires running down here, which normally there is. On this side, actually, the wires normally run down. It's terrible. So this is tucked all the way up there. You'll never see that when the car's on the ground. And then up like that. To make Bluetooth taillights. I don't know why that's not a thing, but they should. Lower panel here, money. Taillights are half in. Got blinkers. Hit the brake light. Got brake lights. Got brake lights. There's a little problem. Right blinker is on. The left one is on though. Look at the left light, leave it on. Huh. Right front. They're opposite. They're completely opposite. I'll just turn with my hazards every time. Not cutting them again. Screw it. Save that for, you know, we call that a rainy day job. As if this car didn't get more difficult to operate. About to hack my interior a little bit, but I need to do it. It needs to be done. So a nice precise cut right there. Let's make sure we don't cut through any wires or any, oh boy. Move that a little bit, move those. It's like that, little hole, and then you just shovel the wires like in there so you can't see them. It's perfect. See, and these are all neat and tidy over here. Have 2 days? 2 days, yeah, not bad, not bad. We can do this. We can do this. Still a few things to do. Starting to look really good though. Gotta reroute a lot of lines still back there. The water trap, the valve, these lines. So I'm gonna wrap it up there. We'll pick up on it tomorrow. Hopefully finish it tomorrow. We're back. Today's gonna be a big one. Today's gonna be a big one because we wrap up the car. You know, the wirings are looking a little more tame. I gotta bring Anthony this trunk because he's gotta paint it. We got 1 day, 2 days. If you leave your car here, leave the keys in it. You know what I mean? And no keys. So I've seen the Kia boys on TikTok and I know how they do it. Come on. There it is. Put a muffler on this thing. I feel bad pulling it out of the shop. It's so fucking loud. Right, we gotta go pay Papa Anthony a visit. Papa Anthony. This fool. Don't sit on the crash bar. It's on the trunk. You're a fool.
Crash, I'm dead, kid.
Chicken nuggets. Yo. We have arrived.
Alright, I'll be there.
Okay. Here we are, Anthony.
Colors. Great colors. What the fuck? What the hell are you doing in there?
Look at him on the trunk.
He's fucked up. Recording? What are you recording for?
Now I guess just to pull her out. Took her out. She rides a little wonky. Thing never got in alignment, but I do need to wash it. And look who's here, just like that. Yes, sir. Who? Ways Auto Detailing, baby. Straight out of Higginham. We ain't running trunks this season, RJ.
No trunk?
We ain't running trunks this season.
It looks funny with the wings on the end.
I know, looks like a little bat. Looks foamy, Darren. so creamy. They kind of go together.
I know.
I need this.
Mirror tint.
I need
Mirror
this.
tint's like the teal kit.
This gets me so bricked up seeing it drip like this with the color combo. Are we going in on this thing? Look how dusted these mats are. Exterior, alligator, all clean. Look how dirty this is. Come on now.
Show them the wipe right here.
Let's see it where. Oh, I'd say we got a good amount done. It's very relieving to see that rear panel on there though. I was pulling up before, right behind it. No longer a crusty, rusty panel. This shit looks so good. I'm so happy. In the comments below, should I take this sticker off, these stickers, or leave them on?
Take them off. Take them off.
All right, take them off. We'll see what they say. This thing is sick. Got the Tornador's older brother with the purple in it. He pulled up to the shop. What did you pull up for, Jesse? You had a mission to do today, right?
Hey guys, it's Grubby. I did have a mission. I wanted to do my exhaust with my exhaust on. And when I was taking the old exhaust off, fucking knocked myself with the bushing, you know, trying to get it. Like, let's see. I can reenact it.
No. Now that the exterior is clean, the trunk is clean, the interior is clean. All right, so we went and paid Anthony a visit, got the parts done. Well, the trunk and the crash bar. Find the train, those horns. Yeah, little color matched rebar. Put that on, put the trunk on, the hinges. Should go together pretty quickly. One day paint job by Anthony. Crash bar, check. I got this a long time ago, but I didn't put it on because of the condition of the rear panel that my car used to be in was very rough. So I told myself I'll put it on once I do the rear panel. For some reasons, 14s and 15s don't come with this crash bar. These are gonna suck to put in. I heard it's kind of sketchy to install, but trunk looks phenomenal. All right, so the trunk got all new bushings because the other ones deteriorated. Trunk time. I'm gonna set you guys down right on over here. Let's get it. I feel it. I got this. It ain't gonna tip. It doesn't have springs. I have structure on this one.
Yeah, no, that one's fake. That one's never in.
Over a little bit, but there's a little problem right now. The trunk shut, but now the trunk doesn't open. Hit that lever for me quick, Sam.
1, 2, 3, yeah.
Yep. The key that is in the car is not the right key for this. I don't know where that key is.
Ideas. Brilliant people.
Ah, shit. He's broken into some cars.
Kia Anthony out here. Hold on, what's the issue here, Anthony?
This shit is loose. How do you expect that it's gonna open like that? Not close it. You sure?
Time for the last and somewhat final piece to go on, which is the bumper. It's destroyed, it's dusted, it's cracked, but it's fine. Kind of don't want to put it on because it just looks really good behind it. I got the damn seat in, my underglow works, the battery's in the back. That's fine. It's the only place I could really put it. It starts up. Anthony started his dirt bike and it revved to the moon. Anthony, pull it inside. It's dark out there. You can't see. Put a rag down. It's just gas. Trunk is together, ready for tomorrow, and we made it. Cue the confetti and the sparklers and shit. Now for the candle on top. My light up plate that I didn't wire the light up frame for it, but we'll save that for another day. But I think this will be a nice little touch. See, they light up. Can't drive with this plate on, obviously. I would never do that. Before I end it, huge thank you to Anthony. Can we get a round of applause in the comments for Anthony? It's done.
It's done. Finally done.
Done.
After what, 2 months?
Yeah, it's been like 2 months. Kind of a big job. Could have probably been done a little quicker, but
You're not a body guy, so
not a body guy.
people don't judge DJ. DJ's not a body guy. So that's why it took so long.
I made some mistakes.
Yeah.
Made some mistakes.
And we have some troubles too. Painting.
Part of the game, Anthony. If it was easy, you know, everyone would be doing it.
Yeah.
That's it. But huge shout out to Brian, Anthony, and he helped me put this whole thing back together these past couple days. And now it's finally done, and I can enjoy it again. Good. We ready for the show tomorrow. So definitely stay tuned for the next one. Huge success having the whole car back together because now I can enjoy it, drive it. Me and RJ can go on long cruises now. It's sick. It starts.
Hey, you want to go to Vermont?
Yes, I do. I want to go see Wilson and the Bag Riders teams.
Yeah.
That would be a nice little trip.
You
Shout
haven't
out.
been there yet, right?
No,
We
I
should
need to
take
see.
a weekend trip up there.
I will. Once it gets a little nicer, we should go up there. I'm down. I'm gonna go see the Bag Riders staff, their whole operation. It looks really cool. Car show. And the next one should be a fun time. Me and James, we're gonna be judges and we're gonna vote for our own cars, probably.
Vote for my car.
I can't vote for your car, Anthony. I know you. Be a good show. So definitely stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think of the car, and I'll see you guys in the next one.